Ever feel like a girl is dropping hints, but you're not quite sure what they mean? Today, we're breaking down how girls give you openings to make a move. Stay tuned, because you don't want to miss this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our latest videos on relationships, dating, and personal growth. Now, let's dive into how to recognize when a girl wants you to make your move. 1. Extended eye contact. First up, extended eye contact. If she holds your gaze longer than usual, she's definitely interested. This prolonged eye contact is her way of inviting you to come over and start a conversation. 2. Smiling and laughing. If she's smiling and laughing at your jokes, even the not-so-funny ones, she's giving you a green light. Her positive reaction is a clear sign she enjoys your company and is open to more. 3. Touching her hair. When a girl touches or plays with her hair while talking to you, it's often a subconscious flirtation signal. This is her way of showing interest and attraction, giving you an opening to make your move. 4. Finding excuses to be near you. Does she find reasons to be around you? Like asking for help or just hanging out where you are? These are subtle cues that she wants to be closer to you and is waiting for you to take the next step. 5. Physical touch. If she touches your arm, shoulder, or back during conversation, she's creating a connection. These light touches are her way of breaking the physical barrier, making it easier for you to reciprocate. 6. Engaging in deep conversations. If she's engaging in deep, meaningful conversations with you, she's not just passing time. She's investing in getting to know you better, showing that she values your connection and wants more. 7. Complimenting you. Compliments are a great sign. If she's complimenting your appearance, style, or personality, she's clearly interested. These compliments are her way of letting you know she notices and appreciates you. 8. Mirroring your actions. Mirroring is a strong sign of attraction. If she's mimicking your body language or actions, she's syncing up with you. This subconscious behavior indicates she's comfortable and connected with you. 9. Inviting you to join her. If she's inviting you to events, group outings, or even just for coffee, she's creating opportunities for you to make a move. These invitations are her way of spending more time with you and seeing where things can go. 10. Asking personal questions. When she asks personal questions about your life, she's genuinely interested in you. This curiosity shows she wants to know more about you and is looking for common ground. 11. Playful teasing. Playful teasing is a fun and flirty way to show interest. If she's teasing you in a lighthearted manner, she's engaging in a playful dynamic. This teasing creates a fun, flirtatious atmosphere, encouraging you to join in. 12. Highlighting common interests. If she's emphasizing your shared interests or activities, she's pointing out the connections between you. These shared interests are her way of building a bond and suggesting you spend more time together. 13. Being supportive. Support is a huge indicator. If she's supporting your goals, dreams, or even your small daily victories, she's invested in you. Her support shows she cares about your well-being and wants to be part of your journey. 14. Remembering the little things. If she remembers the little details about you, like your favorite coffee order or a story you told, she's paying close attention. This attention to detail is her way of showing she values your interactions and remembers what's important to you. So, there you have it. 14 ways girls give you openings to make a move. From extended eye contact to playful teasing, these signals are her way of letting you know she's interested. Remember, the key is to be confident and respectful. Recognize these openings and respond with genuine interest. Don't be afraid to take that next step. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any experiences you've had. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into relationships, dating, and personal growth. Until next time, stay confident and keep building those connections.